Hello to all, welcome to the channel Money's Gate Tech Vision. This is 4 months preparation plan for gate examination in Instrumentation Engineering IN. Gate prior to preparation. Before the preparation plan, some important points to be considered. What are the important points? First, the sequence of subjects should be selected properly. In this preparation plan, I have scheduled one sequence of subjects. I have selected such that on the basis of two factors. First, I have considered the basics to standard, and next I have considered basic level to standard application oriented level subject I have planned, and next one on the basis of priority level for gate examination, high priority to low priority. On the basis of these two factors, I have scheduled a sequence of subjects in this preparation plan. And 4 month study plan is scheduled here. 4 month study plan means normally gate examination will be conducted during the February month. So here in this study plan, I have planned for October, November, December and January. Daily preparation of at least 4 hours is needed. So you need to take 4 hours daily. Better to take morning 2 hours and evening 2 hours. That is, as per your availability of time, you can take continuously 4 hours or 5 hours or 6 hours. But 4 hours, at least 4 hours is needed for the preparation. And the important point is at least 5 years gate questions has to be solved and analyzed. 5 years question papers has to be solved and analyzed. Previous 5 years question papers. There is the difference between solution and analysis. Solution means you can take out the question and you need to do the formulation and you need to find out the answer. And here analysis means we have to find the topic, and then that topic has to be analyzed from the base level to the standard level. Base level to the standard level means other related problems, other toughest problems also has to be analyzed. And then another one important point is for common subjects, other discipline papers has to be solved and analyzed. We know common subjects of electrical, electronics and instrumentation are control systems, signals and systems, network analysis, analog electronics and digital electronics. For those common subjects, you have to refer other discipline papers also, because some questions may be repeated. So you can refer other discipline papers also. And other common subjects are general aptitude and engineering mathematics. General aptitude is common for all branches. Engineering mathematics is common for those branches. 9 to 10 branches are there. So you can analyze that paper also. So come to the preparation plan. So here I have scheduled for first month, October. So during the first month, I have put the schedule for general aptitude first. For the general aptitude, what you have to do is previous 3 years gate questions has to be solved first. Previous 3 years gate questions in 5 disciplines. Okay, for electrical, electronics, and here for instrumentation engineering, I have put the schedule: electrical, electronics, instrumentation, mechanical, civil. Okay, in 5 disciplines, you have to download the copy, and you need to solve the general aptitude questions. So in one paper we will be having 10 questions. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 50 questions are there in 1 year. So for 1 year question paper, you can finish 50 questions. So 50 into 3, 150 questions can be analyzed and solved. For the general aptitude, I have put 5 days. So for each day, you can solve for 30 questions. So 30 into 5, 150 questions can be solved and analyzed. Okay, and then after the general aptitude, engineering mathematics. In engineering mathematics is also important subject. It is one of the important subject, and by the use of engineering mathematics, we can get the high score. In the gate examination. So here for instrumentation engineering, 6 chapters are there. First chapter is linear algebra. For linear algebra, I have put the schedule for 5 days. 3 plus 2 I have divided. So first division is for the preparation with book problems, normal preparation. And last 2 days is for the gate problem solutions. Okay, Maintain the separate files or notes for the general aptitude solutions and engineering mathematics solutions, and also discipline oriented subject solutions for the gate problems. So it will be better that separate notes will be better for further preparation, for final preparation in the gate examination. And after first chapter, you can finish the second chapter. Again, engineering mathematics, I have put the schedule for 5 days only, 3 plus 2. 3 days is for the normal preparation, 2 days is for the gate problem solution in 5 disciplines. Previous 5 years gate questions has to be solved in 5 disciplines. In one discipline, we will be having, in one question, we will be having 1 to 2 questions, because one chapter is there. So 1 to 2 questions will be there. So in each year, we can finish 50 questions. Sorry, 2 plus 2, in each year, we can finish 10 questions, or approximately we can finish 30 to 40 questions in one chapter. And during the October month itself, after finishing calculus and linear algebra, you can finish electrical circuits and electrical machines, because this electrical circuits and machines is the basic level subject to understand the measurements. So first you have to finish this electrical circuits and machines. Okay, so electrical circuits is the basic for all the branches. So you have to finish that one. This electrical circuits is common for electrical, electronics and instrumentation. So that papers also has to be analyzed first. Okay, for electrical circuits, I have put the schedule for 8 days, 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. 5 days is for the preparation with book problems and make the short notes during the preparation itself. And 3 days is for the solution of gate problems in 3 disciplines. And at the end of the day, you can note down the pending topics. So these are the 4 points to be considered for each subject. Okay. 4 points to be considered for each subject. During the preparation, you have to do the book problems and make the short notes. And after 5 days, you have to finish the gate problems. And at the end of the day, you can note down the pending topics. And with the continuation of circuits, you can finish electrical machines also. This electrical machines is common for electrical and instrumentation. So you can take out that gate problems and you need to solve them. So here for electrical machines, I have scheduled for 6 days. 4 plus 2. 4 days is for the preparation with the book problems and 2 days is for the gate problems. Make the short notes, note down the pending topics. And another 1 day is there in the October. So I have put the schedule for 30 days only in each month. So here another 1 day is there for GA, general aptitude. So I have put the general aptitude. General aptitude, another 1 year gate questions can be solved and analyzed in 5 disciplines. 50 questions can be solved. And then second month, November. So during the November, I have started with engineering mathematics chapter 3, differential equations. Differential equations. So for differential equations also, previous 5 years gate questions can be solved and analyzed in 5 disciplines. And I have put the schedule for 5 days. 3 days is for the preparation, 2 days is for the gate problems. And with the continuation of differential equations, because differential equations is the basic for control systems and signals and systems. With the continuation of that, you can finish signals and systems. Okay, for the signals and systems, I have scheduled for 6 days. 6 days. This signals and systems is common for 3 branches, electrical, electronics and instrumentation. So, electrical paper also has to be analyzed, electronics paper also has to be analyzed for the gate problems. 4 plus 2. 4 is for the preparation, 2 is for the gate problem solutions. So, keep separate notes for the for each subject, maintain the gate problems, then only it will be helpful for the further preparation. And with the continuation of signals and systems, control systems. For the control systems is one of the important subject for the instrumentation engineering. So you need to concentrate more on that. So I have put the schedule for 8 days, 5 plus 3. So it is also common for 3 branches. So that gate problems also has to be analyzed and solved. During the preparation, do the book problems and make the short notes. At the end of the day, note down the pending topics. And after that, important subject, fifth subject, I have taken as measurements. Because these are control systems, signals and systems and electrical circuits, electrical machines are the basic level subjects. So you need to finish that. Then only concept will be strengthened. After this, measurements. This measurements is the important subject and it should be given highest priority for the instrumentation engineering. So measurements, I have put the schedule for 10 days, 6 plus 4. 6 is for the preparation with the book problems and 4 is for the gate problem solutions. This measurements is common for electrical and instrumentation. So you can take out that papers and you need to solve for that. So 4 days I have put for the gate problem solutions itself. Make the short notes, it will be helpful for you for measurements, and you can note down the pending topics also. So during the November month also, another 1 day is remaining. So I have put the general aptitude again. Another 1 year gate questions can be solved and analyzed. Okay, in five disciplines. And then third month. For third month, I have scheduled for sensors and industrial instrumentation. Because we have finished measurements, we have put the schedule for measurements. After the measurements, you can finish sensors and industrial instrumentation continuously. Because the concept will be same only. Okay, this sensors and industrial instrumentation, it is a discipline oriented subject and it is only for the instrumentation engineering. So you can take out that last 5 years gate questions in the instrumentation engineering and you can solve for that. Make the short notes, do the book problems, and at the end of the day, note down the pending topics. So for this subject, I have scheduled for 8 days because it is also one of the important subject. 5 plus 3. 5 days is for the preparation, 3 days is for the gate problem solutions. And then engineering mathematics. Again, fourth chapter, complex analysis. Previous 5 years question papers has to be analyzed in 5 disciplines. EE, EC, IN. CE is not there because for the civil engineering, a complex analysis is not there. Mechanical, instead of that, production and industrial. You can take out that paper and you can analyze for that. For the complex analysis also, I have scheduled for 5 days, 3 plus 2. 3 days is for preparation, 2 days is for gate problem solution. And then electricity and magnetism, it is a basic level subject. It is the easiest subject. You can finish within 5 days, 3 plus 2. So it is only for the instrumentation engineering. So you can solve only the gate problems in the instrumentation engineering. You can make the short notes also, note down the pending topics. And then analog electronics, with the continuation of that, analog electronics. Analog electronics is common for 3 disciplines, electrical, electronics and instrumentation. Book problems has to be solved. Make the short notes. 4 days I have scheduled for analog electronics, 3 plus 1. 3 days is for the preparation, 1 day is for the gate problem solutions. With the continuation of analog electronics, you can finish digital electronics. It is also common for 4 branches. Electrical, electronics, instrumentation and computer science is also there. So I have put the schedule for 2 days for gate solutions. 4 days I have scheduled, 2 plus 2. 2 days is for the preparation with the book problems and 2 days is for the gate problem solutions. And again, engineering mathematics, chapter 5, probability and statistics. So this is the December month, probability and statistics. For the probability and statistics, I have scheduled for 4 days. 3 plus 1. 3 days is for the preparation, 1 day is for the gate problem solutions. 5 years gate questions in 5 disciplines can be maintained. And then third month is over. Then fourth month. What are the subjects remaining? Communications and optical instrumentation. After the sensors and industrial instrumentation, communications and optical instrumentation. This communications and optical instrumentation. Communications is common for electronics and instrumentation. Optical instrumentation, it is only for the instrumentation engineering. So for the communications questions, you can refer electronics question paper also. Okay. So here for this subject, I have scheduled for 6 days, 4 days. 4 days is for the preparation with the book problems, make the short notes, and 2 days is for the gate problem solutions in 2 disciplines. Note down the pending topics. And again, engineering mathematics, what is the chapter remaining? Numerical methods. So numerical methods, it is for the instrumentation engineering and it is not in electrical and electronics. You have to refer these papers: instrumentation, mechanical, metallurgical, civil engineering, production and industrial. You can take out these 5 papers and you can analyze for that. Okay, for the numerical methods only. So here for the numerical methods also I have scheduled for 4 days. You can extend to 5 days or 6 days because it is also important subject, important chapter. So you need to concentrate more on that. You can extend to 1 day. 3 plus 1. 3 days is for the 3 days is for the preparation, 1 day is for the problem solution. So total 100 days I have scheduled for the preparation. Scheduled up to January 10th. 100 days, 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 10. Up to January 10th, 100 days preparation plan is scheduled. So after January 10th, what you have to do, I will tell you. After January 11th to 22nd, Yearly 12 days are there. So for that I have put the schedule. Attend one mock test through online or offline. So in IIT website, GATE mock test series will be there. So you can attend that. Timer will be there, 3 hours duration will be there. You can attend that and you can analyze the paper with answer key and solutions. That is through online. Offline means you can take out the previous to previous papers. GATE 2015 paper or 16 paper, and you can take the print and you can attend for 3 hours and you can analyze that paper. That's all. That is offline practice test paper. So attend the practice test paper for 1 day, and 3 days is for the analysis of that paper. What mistake you have made, that topic has to be again revised. Like that you have to prepare for 4 days. And after 4 days, completion of pending topics. So pending topics have noted down. So that pending topics can be completed within this 8 days. 8 days I have scheduled for pending topics. So after 22nd, so after the completion of pending topics, you can attend the second mock test through online. In IIT website, you can attend GATE mock test or offline paper also. You can practice the test paper. And 1 day is for attending, 3 days is for the analysis with the answer key and solutions. And from 27th January onwards, revision of topics only. Normally February first week or second week will be the examination. So from 27th January, revision of topics only. For the revision, if you use the short notes and GATE solutions, means it will be better and it will be easier to find out, easier to prepare for the final preparation. So this is the preparation plan for instrumentation engineering. This will be helpful for your GATE examination. Use this and prepare well for the examination. This is Mani's GATE Tech Vision. This is a channel for engineering competitive examination. You can subscribe to my channel and you can view the lecture series regularly. Thank you very much for watching the video.